Welcome to Sounds Familiar? In this episode, we're going to talk about copying as a path. In Windows Explorer, you can hold down the Shift key and right-click on a file and copy its entire path, including the file name, to text in the clipboard. However, in Windows 8 and newer, in SOLIDWORKS PDM, if we hold down Shift and right-click, we no longer see this option. We at the HawkWare team decided to fix that. We wrote an add-in simply called PDM Copy as Path. With this add-in loaded, we can now select any number of files, right-click, and use the Copy as Path option in the menu. Now when we paste these, you get an entire list of all the files that you selected with their whole paths, including the file names. If this looks useful to you, download it today. It's completely free at hawkwareapps.com.